Hi there, and thank you for choosing Nanaimo Photography, where quality media inspires fruitful conversations. In this video tutorial, I want to share with you some of the awesome things that you can do with the marketing kit. And the marketing kit is something you can pre-order or you can add on after you've received your media, but either way, it allows you to expand what you're doing in marketing properties. And when people see what you can do to market their properties, I think their friends are way more likely to choose you. So let's have a look here. We're going to go straight into the marketing kit. One of the first things that you can do is you can go right to the marketing kit and go to download page, which is right here at the bottom of the top banner there. So that's where you can get your photos to upload them to MLS. But the marketing kit is more about what you can do outside of MLS. You can add basic details right here like price, square footage, lot size, MLS number, confirm the number of beds and baths, and you can do that quickly right here. But there's more information you can add when you go in through your profile. Just a quick update here. I want you to see how easy it is to update your site data. So when you get your email, you go down to access your account. You click on that link, and that's going to take you to your account where you can see all the upcoming sites and your existing property sites. And this is the one that we're concerned with right here. And we've clicked on it and we go to site media, and here we go. Here is all of the media, and then under site data, here is where you can put in the MLS number, the list price, and make sure the square footage agrees with what we've learned. And then you can put in the property description, lot size, whatever you like. So there you go. I'll let you get back to the video now. Now, if you haven't put your profile photo or your brokerage logo up, this is a quick way of doing it right here on the marketing kit page. And the reason that these things are important is that everything in the marketing kit will draw from what you've got on your profile. And you can update your profile data right here. You can go in and you can add more pictures. You can make sure that your phone number is properly logged on here, the phone number that you want people to call you for information about this property. And you can put your social media feed down here. And whenever you do anything, make sure you save the updates. So let's go back to there we go, marketing kit homepage. So the first section is social media reels. It's going to get you the most hits is social media reels because they move. Now, a social media reel can be a video that you produce with your phone in the up and down position and have those vertical format videos. But this will take from the media that we produced, and it will create something that moves like a video, and it will populate to social media reels. So let's take a look at the three samples that they have. These are reel 1, 2, and 3. The first one just shows just listed and has these pictures popping up. It has your agent identification. And the second one, I'm going to pause that. The second one is a winter themed one. Who wants to go house hunting? Pause that. The third one is Valentine's. But you know what? That's not all. You click view more social media reels, and there are so many more, and they all move and they all look fantastic, and they might be good for promoting an open house, just listed, price reduction, whatever you want to do, just sold. You can do it all through here. And if you like one but it says the wrong thing, you just edit it and you can change the text on here, and it will take care of the rest of the animating. So those are the social media reels. They're fantastic. You also have stories and posts. So they are not dynamic. They're not moving. They're not like videos. They will act as a social media post for you. These ones are vertical like a reel or a story would be. And these you can edit. The nice thing about the still ones is that you can format things, and when people look at it, the information is not changing around on them. They can see what you want them to see and go from there. And you can use both of these. You can use any number of them. You can change them every day. If you're wondering, man, my coach told me I got to put 3 to 7 social media posts a week. They're right here. They're all ready to go. They already have the photos put in them. And And then here, the next section is your branded and unbranded property site. So the property site is a website. So when somebody clicks on this link, they are looking at your property, not anybody else's. There's not these other properties they can look at, like on MLS. When they get to this, they're only looking at your property and what you want to show them. So by default, there's a certain format there, but you can preview the site, and it'll show you exactly what a consumer is going to see when they look at this website. It allows you to schedule a showing, view the gallery right there. It's got all the property information. It's got a description, and again, that description comes from the site data that was input when the agent went into their site and uploaded all of this. And there's a photo gallery. Here's the iGuide player. Here's the floor plans and the YouTube videos down there as well. So it is automatically embedded into the website there. And then down at the bottom is a map to show them where to find this place. Alrighty. So that is the website. Now, you might have different corporate colors that you want to incorporate, so you can edit the details and design here and change the style of website. And the different styles of website are below. Nova, Astrid, Vega, there's all kinds of different ones you can select. And in your client profile, you can actually you can set the preference as to which style of website you like for future listings. Landscape posts are just like the other social media posts, but they're a little bit broader, and sometimes they allow you to show different photos better because MLS likes their photos to be in a 3x2 format. They're always rectangular, and for whatever reason, a lot of us are looking at social media on our phones where things are vertical, but horizontal works really well. There's also square posts, which are somewhere in between. You can go down here, and there are slideshows available that are shorter and longer, and you can edit which photos are shown, and you can edit what music you want to accompany those. But these are here in case you didn't have a property video and you wanted something like that. That is there, and it's already made for you. All you need to do is either download it and put it on your video channel or put it on social media. And farther down, you have print-ready flyers. Now, this is something that they've had for a long, long time. But below that is a brand new thing, print-ready brochures and booklets. There are 4- and 8-page layouts that are already pre-formatted. Now, I want you to have a look at those, and you might need to do some editing because it might say, you know, kitchen features, and it might show the wrong picture. It might not show a picture of a kitchen. Have a look through it and see if this is something of interest to you. If you love it, you can send it off to your print shop and have them print 4 or 8 color brochures for you like that. And then down at the bottom is the weekly traffic report, where you can see where things are going. You can view the current report, and you can schedule and send that report to somebody, and maybe your client, maybe another agent you're working with, to say, hey, this is how many viewings that we're having. So that's the marketing kit. It is next level, and it is marketing genius, and it will allow you to do what you know you should do. You know you should be doing more social media posts. You know you should be getting your video, your content out there more. Well, this is the quick and easy way to do it without having to hire a graphic designer to do it all. This is your graphic designer for $29 or $39, depending on whether you pre-order it or order it after the fact. So that's the marketing kit in a nutshell. Any questions? Just reach out. Thanks for checking out this video. I appreciate it, and I look forward to working with you soon.